Right, welcome back to the channel, guys. I've got something a little bit different for you today. I've got a Karcher 650 hot pressure washer, and I was on a job with it and it just would not kick in again, the hot boiler side of it. So we're going to have a look and see if we can sort it out. Right, this is it here, the machine. Plug there anyway. Right guys, just to prove that this doesn't work. Can you see the burner should be on now and it's not. So I've sort of already done a little bit of diagnostics on this. These here, I've actually got another machine where I'd taken all this off and swapped them round, and I'm still having the same problem. There's fuel going in, there's just no ignition. So what I think it is, let's take this cover off here. I reckon it's the igniter here. Typical, because it's quite expensive. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take it out of the other machine and put it in here before I go out and get another one. So yeah, that's it. I think it just unplugs anyway. I'm hoping that just pulls out. But yeah, I think it's 400 volts, this thing. I've tested all those wires and they seem to be alright, so I think the problem is going to be this. So let's swap the other one over. Right guys, I reckon that's an 8mm. Yeah, the last job I was on, I think their electricity was a bit dodgy because it kept going on and off. There we go. Got some movement there. Oh yeah, I think that's just going to pull out. Can you see? That's handy. They should just pull out then. There's one. And there's the other one. Oh yes, look at that. It's very heavy. This is a transformer. Let's hope it is that. Right, I've just looked at that, guys, and it's not the same. It doesn't have those quick release ones in, but it'll be the same transformer. It's the same size. Next idea then, I just might, right, I might put both the steam cleaners together. Take the electrodes from that one and put them on this one. Yeah, I'm going to do that. So this is my thinking. I've taken these off this one and I've stretched it, and I'm going to put it on this one just to see if we can fire this sucker up. Okay, so the power is coming from this machine just to see if she'll power up. Okay. That's the way my brain thinks. Okay. That one's on that one. Right. Obviously there'll just be diesel going into that. But I just want to see if it just sparks just for a couple of minutes. That's it. Then I know I've diagnosed that, if you know what I mean. So if I hook them both up, I just want to see if this burner will start using this one's electrics. Okay, let's see what happens. Alright guys, let's see if this is going to work. What we're trying to do is get this boiler, the one that isn't working, I'm just going to prove that this is knackered, because the one in here is a good one. So what I'm doing, I'm taking the leads from my old machine onto this machine, so this burner should start smoking. Right, unless we trip the power. Right, let's see if it's going to work. Right, one machine on first. Yes, it's working. It's working. Right, so what this proves is this transformer in this machine is knackered, because this one has just powered this burner. Right guys, that was quite successful. At least I know which part I need. I need a transformer. It's an ignition for the Karcher 650. I'll have to have a look on eBay, see if I can get one. So on that note, see you tomorrow.